Today I'm going to use the Liberty SuperPatch for athletic performance like never before. I'm in a golf tournament. This one is for strength, power, balance, agility, and recovery. It's a non-invasive drug-free technology that may improve general wellness by enhancing the user's flow of energy, sense of balance, stamina, and strength, making it easier for the body to maintain overall health and performance at the highest level. That sounds good to me, so I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going out to play 18 holes and the weather's not the greatest, so any help I can get. This is what they look like. See, it's vibro tactile technology that works with your body. So there's a little sticker on the back. I think you just peel the little label off first like this. And you can stick it anywhere on your body. I'm actually just going to put mine, I don't want people to see it, so I'm just going to put it, actually I'm going to take the whole thing off. It's probably an easier way to do this, but I'm just going to put mine right behind my shoulder. I will show you. It's right there. So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to make me have lots of energy today. Here's hoping.